Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to invite guests to your workspace or to your space in Clickup web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Clickup website by going to your browser and then just type app.clickup.com and then it will lead you to this website. Then you will need to create an account with your email and then you will need to add your personal information. Otherwise, if you have already an account, just log in with your email and it will take you to the home page or to the landing page. After that, you need just to follow this simple step. So basically, now we will need to go to our space and then search for share. So you click on space, share, and then you will invite people. Uh, as you can see, uh, here it will tell you the spaces cannot be shared with guests. That means you will need to go to a specific view and then you will share it. So let's go for example to list and then we will click on share, and of course now you will be able to share this list. And basically all we need to do now is to add either a username or the name of a ClickUp user, or you will just add some emails. So basically we will have something like that, example at example.com, and of course it will invite it and we are going to add it, and you are adding a new member, so you will just have it as a guest. Make sure that you have it as a guest, and of course you won't give a guest a full access, so maybe you are going just to give him a view only. It depends on your personal choices. So better it will be view only, and then you will click invite and an invitation will be sent to this email. After that, the guest will receive the email and it will click the invitation and it will lead him to this board or to this list, and he will be able to customize if you give him the access or the permission, and if not, he will be only able to view and read the content without customizing it. So basically this is how you can add guests to your boards or to your lists in ClickUp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.